This is the aftermath of a properly done logging job. I marked the mature timber and left a lot of good stems. There's about a 15-inch white oak there, 14-inch red oak. There's another white oak back there. If you sell to a sawmill, they'd probably take all those and then you wouldn't have anything. But there's enough light coming in now with the open canopy to start letting these oaks take off. They're in the understory. If you log it too hard, you're going to run all that over and smash it, which is not the end of the world, but we'd like to try and preserve these and let them start to grow. We also have some rubus coming up, more oaks. I thought I just heard a turkey cluck. Maybe they're in here. Look at that. Lots of deer tracks. They're coming in feeding on the tops. These tops will rot down very quickly, and turkeys love to put their nest right in the edge of these. It's not too bad considering the size of the trees that came down. This was probably a 25-inch oak tree that came down. Another one over there. It's nicely done. Not a lot of damage to the residuals. There's almost no damage that I can see here, actually. Very nice. You got some loggers that are hackers that just beat up everything and don't care, and then you have some loggers that do a nice job. Back there, I want those tops left in there for cover. That's going to be my bedding back there. And then there's a tree the landowner just doesn't have the heart to sell it, so he put that ribbon around there to keep it. That's okay. It's kind of nice back in here with this grass. I think what we'll do is take this maple. Don't need that for anything. You can see what happens, when guys come through with skidders and scrape the bark off the edge of the tree. That's pretty much the end of that tree as far as log quality. This looks real nice. Beautiful woodlot. All right, that's all I got for you today.